ml or 50 ml known volume will be taken. And then the ammonia gas which is liberated from the second step, it is passed inside this acid. So ammonia is a base. When ammonia is passed inside the sulfuric acid, in this total sulfuric, the known volume of standard sulfuric acid, some volume of sulfuric acid is neutralized by the ammonia. Therefore, the basic step is here. Volume of acid, of course, normality is M, molarity is M, H2SO4, used acid. When it is passed inside, 100 ml is taken. The 100 ml, no, so 40 ml is neutralized by the ammonia, and the remaining is left out. So how much ml of acid is neutralized by the ammonia? So that I am writing here, volume of MH2SO4 used is equal to volume of same MNH3 ammonia. This is the principal step in this calculation. Now how to find out the volume of sulfuric acid used? For that, we have to use two reactions from here. One is the amount of unreacted sulfuric acid left inside the container is found by titrating against the standard sodium hydroxide solution. So when it is titrated against the standard sodium hydroxide solution, that is our first step. H2SO4 plus NaOH, it is titrated against the sodium hydroxide solution. It gives sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus H2O, balance. See, its molarity is M1, volume is V1, and number of moles is N1. And here, same way M2, V2, and you taking test N2. Now you see that, what can you understand from this? M1, M2, V1, the calculation can be done in two ways, according to our textbook. We are going to make the molarity of both equal. If you write what is in our equation, from here, 1 mole reacts with 2 moles. 1 mole of H2SO4 reacts with 2 moles of NaOH. So if I write the equation, M1 V1 is equal to 2 into M2 into V2. Molarity, if you equate for both M V1 is equal to 2 into M into V2. Therefore, what I am going to do is V2 is equal to V1 by 2. This result is required for us. When the molarity of these two things are equal, what is the relationship between the volume of acid and base at the end point? So volume of the base is equal to V1 by 2. From this data, what result we can arrive? We can write that volume of volume of MH2SO4 in the bracket I am writing used is equal to volume of volume of MH2SO MNaOH. MNaOH is equal to V1 by 2 ml of MH2SO4. The second one, again I am writing the second equation. The second equation is nothing but NH3 is absorbed absorbed inside the sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It gives ammonium sulfate, neutralization. This is second step, absorption. Again you balance it. Here you see that. Again here, what is the relationship between, the same way if you do it, what is the relationship between volume of ammonia and volume of sulfuric acid? Volume of sulfuric acid is, we need, after this step, I'm sorry, I missed one step. After this step, what you have to do is, therefore, volume of MH2SO4 left, unreacted. Unreacted, left. Can you tell me how much? Initially I told, standard sulfuric acid solution, how many ml were taken? B, either 100 ml or 50 ml. This is volume of sulfuric acid taken in the molecule class in the beginning before the absorption of ammonia. B. After we know how much sulfuric acid is neutralized by the ammonia. So volume of, how much sulfuric acid is left out. The volume of sulfuric acid left out is, volume of sulfuric acid here used. Volume of sulfuric acid used is equal to volume of sulfuric acid, this is left out. How much is left out? So volume of sulfuric acid used is equal to V1 divided by 2. Suppose this is of this much of sulfuric acid. So if we write here volume of ammonia, 1m ammonia, or let it be volume of MNH3, same molarity, we have to keep same molarity for both. Volume of MNH3 absorbed, how much it is absorbed is equal to, already I have told in the beginning itself, volume of MH2SO4 absorbed, used should be equal to volume of ammonia absorbed. Volume of ammonia. So volume of ammonia absorbed is equal to V minus V1 by 2, this much of H2SO4, that is MH2SO4. But see the ratios. 2 is a mono basic. Therefore what happened? The same way. Here I have done it now. For one you take V1, another one V2 and you calculate and see. So V1 is equal to 2 times V. So therefore I am multiplying here by 2. Is it clear to all of you? Again let me say, volume of sulfuric acid used. That means how much sulfuric acid is neutralized by the ammonia. Then the volume of both are equal. Volume of sulfuric acid used is equal to volume of ammonia. First we have to find out, first step we have to find out volume of sulfuric acid used. For volume of sulfuric acid used, what you have to do? Back calculation. First you will say VML of standard acid is taken. Inside that VML of standard acid, ammonia is absorbed. So when ammonia is absorbed, ammonia will neutralize some volume of sulfuric acid. How much volume of sulfuric acid ammonia will neutralize? V1 by 2. How to get that V1 by 2? From this here now, from M1, M2 is equal to M2 into M2. This formula I explained. This much acid is excess, left out. So V minus this if you do means how much acid is neutralized by the ammonia we found. And then if you come here, volume of ammonia absorbed is equal to 2 times of volume of sulfuric acid left. Why this 2 should come? From this we can get it. If you want you can do it like this and get it, otherwise directly also you can get it. And then volume of ammonia absorbed now it is known as is equal to 2 into V minus V1 by 2 volume of sulfuric acid. ये दोनों same. Now
suppose आपने लिखा volume of MH2SO4 used.
हाँ सर.
Volume of MNH3 उसका twice होगा ना? into 2 होगा.
हाँ इस तरह इसमें 2.
ऊपर वाले
yes sir, इसी में two.
सर उसको उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना वॉल्यूम ऑफ एमएस
वहाँ डबल हो जाएगा, अमोनिया डबल।
हाँ ये वो डबल हो जाएगा फिर नीचे पे
हाँ।
सी में रूट ये
Correct now, sir? Now, and then if you come to the last step what? You take 1m NH3 solution. So 1m NH3 solution. In 1m NH3 solution means one mole is present in 1 liter. That means 1000 ml. So I can write for this 1 liter of 100 ml of 1m NH3 contains 17 grams of NH3. We are not very much interested for NH3, so I am going to write here 14 grams of net. Contains 14 grams of net. Therefore, so here now, so here is like correct on this one. So therefore, 2 into B minus V1 by 2 ml of NH3 contains how much? For this, if you do it, the answer is 1000 ml. 14 grams is present. Therefore, cross multiplication. 1 into this. Generally, I used to do calculation like this only. 1 a m no, that's it will come. So we are going to get m into 2 into v minus v1 by 2. This is the answer. This much. M into 2 into v minus v1 by 2. Volume of standard acid taken. This Vn is volume of acid left out, and this is molarity of the acid, standard acid, and then 40,000. If you do it, we will get what is the mass, what is the mass, what is the mass of negative, mass of. Therefore, percentage means what to do? Percentage means the initial itself I told m grams of organic compound was taken. In percentage, you know very well, 14 into 1000 m into 2 into v minus v1 by 2 into this much is present in w grams, I'm sorry, in m grams, therefore in 100 grams how much? Simply simplify. We are going to get 1 by 4 into m into 2 into v minus v1 by 2 divided by m percentage. This is the percentage of this definition, I mean this derivation now, last 2-3 years now we did teach, we left it, and again we have to teach it. So no need to worry about it. Possible you derive. Derivation is the children, those who are going for IIT class for them only. Otherwise, at least this result they can remember. How to say this result? You see that in a 1.4 into m. No, this step you explain to the children, and then this one. And what are the notation for these things? Volume of sulfuric acid taken, volume of sulfuric acid used, and then m is molarity of the sulfuric acid. Just substitute everything. They can. This is mass of the organic compound. Then they can get the percentage of it. But the same problem. Sulfuric acid, if standard acid, sulfuric acid is taken, this 2 and 2 should come. If sulfuric, instead of sulfuric acid, if HCl is taken, then it is nothing but monobasic acid. For monobasic acid, these 2's are not required. Then for hydrochloric acid, the formula becomes V minus V1. It's a very simple formula. First, if you want to derive, you can take hydrochloric acid and you can derive it easily. You will get the derivation. These 2 no slight confusion will come. But why I tried now? Because in our textbook, sulfuric acid is given. So I tried and I got this derivation. Hydrochloric acid is taken, since it is a monobasic acid, these 2 will not come, V minus percentage. Okay, thank you, friends.